we want to give a special thanks to Mattel for sending these products to us for free. What's up, doll collectors and gift givers? Here is another My Froggy Stuff Buyer's Guide. Today, we are taking a look at Wonder Woman 84 Fashion Dolls by Mattel. These dolls are available now. I've seen them at Target and online at Amazon. We have Wonder Woman Battle Ready, priced at $14.99. Diana Prince Gala, $14.99. Barbara Minerva, the gemologist, priced at $14.94. Please forgive me if I am destroying these names. Cheetah, Battle Ready, priced at $19.99. Wonder Woman Golden Armor, priced at $29.99. Here is Battle Ready Wonder Woman. On the back of the box, we can see the doll, along with a few other dolls in this line, and a retro TV down at the bottom. Out of the box, this doll has an athletic build. Her body looks the same as the WWE superstars and the Playline Wonder Woman dolls from the first movie. However, this is a new face sculpt. I altered my Wonder Woman Playline doll just a little, but you can still see the difference in their face sculpts. She does have that digital printing on the eyes and eyebrows. Her lips, however, are smooth. I think this is actually a very striking looking doll. I love her facial features. She wears her gold tiara. Her uniform is red, blue, and gold with printed details. There's a gold plastic belt around the waist and some golden colored plastic around the top. She has a gold colored arm cuff, silver colored bracelets, a plastic lasso with a hand grip, and gold and red high-heeled boots. This doll has articulation at the head, shoulder, elbow. The wrists are stationary. She can move at the hip and bend at the knee. I would have liked to have seen articulation at the wrist, but overall, this doll feels pretty similar to the one from the first movie. Here is Diana Prince dressed for the gala. On the back of the box, you can see the doll, and there's a new picture on the TV screen. Out of the box, her hair is straight and pulled back on one side. She has the same face paint, the same articulation. She wears a long white dress. It crosses in the front. It gathers at the waist a little. There is a ribbon sewn onto the side. She has folded over cuffs, and there is a slit in the dress. It velcros in the back. She wears a gold bracelet and a soft beige, maybe nude colored shoe. Here she is next to the Barbie signature Gala doll. You can see that the top of the dress is different. The Barbie signature doll has a lapel, whereas the Playline doll does not. The signature doll has red lipstick, and the Playline doll has a soft pink. Even their shoe colors are different. So they're similar, but different. You can check out our review for this doll on our YouTube channel as well. Barbara Minerva Gemologist. I'm loving those TV screens. Out of the box, we do have a little bit of box hair. Her hair is brown and blonde. One side is pulled back. All of her face paint is pixelated, including her lip color. She has blue eyeshadow and heavy eyeliner, and there are some freckles going across her nose. She wears a faux snakeskin jacket with large lapels and a gold buckle at the waist. Underneath, she has a black sleeveless top with an animal print skirt. They are sewn together. There are some cuts across the top of the shirt, and the skirt has this little piece here hanging down. The skirt is not hemmed and seems to have an asymmetrical cut. She wears black stockings that stop at the calf and high plastic taupe boots. Since the boots are made of plastic, they don't bend, so you'll see a little bit sticking out when you bend her knee. They are open in the back. This doll has the same articulation as Wonder Woman, with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, hip, and knee. However, her body type is different from Wonder Woman's. She's not as muscular. But that won't stop her from turning into Cheetah. This is Battle Ready Cheetah. On the back of the box, we have the same TV screen that was on Barbara's box. I bought this doll on Amazon because you know me, I gotta have the whole set. Her face has the digital printing. Her lips are smooth, however, there is no pixelation there. Her hair is all blonde. Her skin color is different. She wears a fuzzy bodysuit with cheetah markings that velcros in the back. She has a long tail that can move. She has long nails that kind of remind me of claws, keeping with the cheetah theme. She does have the muscular athletic body. I'm talking some serious abs here. You can see muscles on her back, and her calves have a sculpted texture to look like fur. Her feet are altered. They look like cheetah paws. There are painted details on the front and large claws. The jumpsuit is removable, so you can totally use it as a Halloween costume, and your favorite doll can go as Cheetah. But when it comes to this doll, I think the jumpsuit is a little loose. A tighter fit would have helped to show off those abs, and we could have seen the muscles underneath. She is fully articulated like the other dolls in this line, but in addition, her feet can twist around. To go against Cheetah, we have Wonder Woman in her golden armor. The back of this box shows us several of the dolls, plus we get a new TV screen. Wonder Woman in her golden armor out of the box. The doll can be balanced to stand on her own. The wings plus her feet make 4 points, so it's pretty easy. The golden colored armor is sculpted to the body. She has shoulder pads. We can see some details going down the arms. The silver bracelets are removable. You can see more detail underneath. Even her hands are gold. The detail continues down her legs into her feet. She wears an inclined boot. The wings are attached behind her shoulders and at her lower back. From behind, I think the wings look so cool, but you do see 2 large screws at the top. The wings open up. She has a pretty impressive wingspan, measuring almost 24 inches across. We can take this little part here and bend it so we can see the wings from the side. Her hair is curled on the ends. She has the same face paint as the other 2 Wonder Woman dolls. She has movement at the head, the shoulder. It is a little limited because of these shoulder pads. She can bend at the elbow, move at the hip, and bend at the knee. And I just activated her light feature. There is a small button on her side, and when you push it, she lights up. She comes with a removable helmet that slides over the top of her head and is shaped like a bird. That's a pretty cool helmet. I can't wait to see what this looks like in the movie. Wonder Woman in her golden armor battling Cheetah. Wonder Woman! Come on, you know I was gonna do that eventually. Pros and cons. Since these are Playline dolls, the price isn't terrible. $14.99 for fully articulated fashion dolls, and on the other end, $29.99 for dolls that can do special effects. However, this Wonder Woman does feel very similar to previous ones. I would have loved for her skirt to have been hemmed and for her stockings to go all the way to the feet. And I would have liked to have seen a tighter fit for Cheetah's bodysuit. But overall, as far as Playline movie dolls go, I think they did a pretty good job. But I'm still not a fan of the pixelated face paint. I am a huge Wonder Woman fan, so this collection is a must-have for me. But articulated wrist would have been nice. Just saying. Let us know in the comments down below if these dolls are a buy or pass. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Wonder Woman 84 Playline dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!
Don't be such a stranger. Tell me how you're feeling. You know I don't have to live inside your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman. Sorry, I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman. Keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a man.